Sup everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to find screenshots on Android. So let's get right into it. Without heading over to your gallery, just let's click a screenshot. Suppose I'm taking a screenshot of my full screen. So here, as you can see, I have taken a screenshot, and then I'm going over to my gallery. Once I'm in my gallery, I'm going to my albums and clicking on view all, and there comes the screenshot option. So head over to the screenshot option and then just go to, and here you'll be able to find your screenshot right now that you have clicked. Hope this video will help you out. And there's another way. Just head over to lower your screen, or just swipe the screen to the down, and there you'll find the screenshot saved option, and just click on it and you'll get directly headed over to your screenshot. And yeah, this is how you can access it. Hope this video will help you out, and make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.